Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? Big old man thing,
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever, and I'm back again with another video. I just forgot that I had to make this wig unboxing video, so that's what we finna do. So let me go get the wig. All right guys, so I'm back and I'm here with the wig. I guess when they was shipping it from China, there was like a lot of turbulence on the plane because I'm not understanding why the box looks like this. But that's besides the point. I don't even care about the box, but I know you guys be caring about like the packaging or whatever. I don't care about none of that. I just care about how the wig looks. This is the box. I'm gonna try to fix it so it looks a little better for me. Also, this is by Virgo hair. If anybody didn't know, now you know, sweetie. It looks like it was just squished by all the turbulence. But it says right here, 100% human hair, excellent quality series. And they got a cute little like rainbow thing going on here. I'm getting pride vibes. Human hair lace wig with some arrows. But on the back it says natural and soft, 100% human hair, period. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Feel me, this is what you see when you open it up. Ow, there's my wig. By the way, I ordered a bob wig. It's supposed to be 12 inches. So let's see if this is 12 inches. So I'm taking it out of the box. There's nothing else in the box. The box is really dead, so I'm gonna just put her on the floor. Do not eat. You don't tell me what I eat. But, all right, so I'm gonna take it out. I mean, the lace looks nice. It's like a nice color. It comes with 4 clips, 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle right here, 1 in the back. I believe the parting space was, I'm not sure. I'm gonna insert it on the screen. And this is supposed to be 12 inches. It's not really looking like 12 inches to me. Like, look at this. I don't know, but hopefully it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. Okay. So as we can see, this is giving me Dora vibes. Feel me? Like, I don't know. I don't feel like I don't know how I'm feeling, because this is really short. Like, look at the back, bro. It's not short. It was not supposed to be that short. I wanted my bob to be like, I guess right here is 12, that, but this, it's like a, I didn't want that. I just wanted it to be blunt. My sister told me I should have bought 14 and then cut it myself, but I didn't want to cut it myself because I don't know how to cut hair. They said that the knots were bleached, but I'm seeing the knots and they are not bleached. But I mean, I guess it's kind of cute or whatever if I like do like a cute little like, ew, no. I don't know, I might try a side part. Let me try a side. Wait, no, this is my cuter side. I don't know, maybe a side part would be cute. But I don't know, guys. I'm gonna try to play with it, figure things out, because I don't know what the heck is going on. Anyway, this is by Virgo hair. This hair is super duper soft. Like, sis, this hair is mad soft. Feels like I don't even know where to begin. Like, it's so soft, no tangles. What? So, like, look at it. Look, watch, look. Did you see it? Okay. Ah! I'm gonna try to cut the lace myself. I only ever cut lace one time by myself, and that was on the wig that I just had on. So I think I'm gonna cut the lace and come back maybe and show y'all how it's looking. Maybe flat iron it a little bit and come back for me. All right. Hey guys, it's me, Nekeisha, and whatever, and it's been probably like a week or two since the last clip, so this is a brand new day. So this wig has made me very depressed, to be honest. Like, I know you see it on my head. I don't even want to look at it. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to smell it. I don't want to be in the same room as it. I was supposed to get 12 inches of hair. Well, maybe this is 12, but this is not 12. It's not 12, sis. And I wouldn't mind if the wig was like thick. She's not thick and she's not thin. She's just like in between, and I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know. And I tried to work with it. Feel me? I'm not sticking it to my head, so if the lace is rising right there, it's alright. It was a quick ting, feel me? It was just for the video, just so I could have an ending clip. Overall, my view, this is a really, don't get me wrong, the hair is amazing. It's just not right. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, the hair is amazing, the wig is nice. The part, I had to switch it to a side part because the middle part, it was too short. It was like, it was just short. It didn't look right. So my sister was like, probably best to make it to a side part. So I made it into a side part, and it looks a little better, feel me? And I'm not gluing these wigs to my head, because if I glue these to my head, all my edges are gonna be gone, because my edges are like, my hairline is built very weird. But enough about that. But the wig is nice. It's very nice. Lovely hair. Virgo Hair sent this to me, Virgo Hair, and I bought it because I'm a Virgo. It's almost Virgo season. I was just like, I want some Virgo weave, and they gave it to me, and it's nice and everything, feel me, but it's just not exactly what I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna have a nice thick bob, feel me, and I was gonna be out here looking cute, honey, but no. You know, more wig reviews coming. Stay tuned. I have a lot of great video ideas coming to you guys for the summer. So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias and all of that. And yeah, stay tuned for more. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.